What's up, YouTube? You guys already know this is my favorite time of the week when we're moments away from being back in the stock market so we can get back in our bag and do what we do, man. What's up, family? I hope you guys are just as excited as I am each and every week because guess what, guys? We get another chance to do what we all love to do, and that's invest. That's learn about the market, and more importantly, that's try to make some money, guys. Listen, man, we got a crazy week ahead of us. Listen to this. We got the CPI data that comes out on Wednesday. Okay, it's going to give us a read on what's going on with inflation, whether or not it's coming down or whether or not it's going up. So listen to this, man. Expect another volatile week, okay? We may get one thing to start off the week, and then after that CPI report comes out on Wednesday, we might have a totally different ball game we're dealing with. So nevertheless, I want us to be on our P's and Q's. I want us to be on our A game, guys. So listen, man, this particular week, we are going to get after it like we do each and every week, but I need you guys to be nimble and flexible. I'm going to be in the Discord giving out nothing but heat and nothing but fire all week in terms of the plays we can take advantage of. I need you guys to be vigilant, and on your A game, okay? And listen, guys, with that being said, I got a few plays that I want you to consider loading up on, or this is what I'll be loading up on. How about that? Okay, over the course of the weekend as well as last week, I told you as these stocks continue to crash and sell off, for a real investor, they're creating buying opportunities. With that being said, guys, some of these plays are coming down to levels I cannot refuse, okay? So, number one, I'm looking at NVIDIA, okay? I like it down here anywhere under the 200s, but especially in this 180 level. Ultimately, I would love to see it come down a little bit further to like 150 range, okay? Then, guys, another play I'm going to be looking at for this week is Apple, okay? Right now, sitting at 157 doesn't do much for me, but I'll start to like it a little bit more at 155, 152, and of course 140 and below, okay? Ideally 120. I'm always trying to buy low, knowing that these plays will go back up. But at these levels, guys, I like the dollar cost average, okay? That's the name of the game. That's what I like to do. Buy low, sell high, make a ton of money in the process. I encourage you guys to do the same, okay? And then last but not least, I'm going to be having my eye on Tesla, okay? Ticker symbol TSLA. This one is one I'll be kind of watching because compared to the others, it has a lot more strength, it seems. Like sometimes Tesla can just do its own thing and say, skip what the market is doing. I'm ready to run. I'm about to run. Okay, so with that being said, I stick to my levels that I like on Tesla. 880 or below, 780 or below. And of course, I start the nibbling process at 910 and come all the way down to the fives if we see the fives, knowing and understanding that it will eventually shoot back up to that $900,000 range and sometimes beyond if enough momentum and enthusiasm floods into the stock, okay? But with that being said, those are the three plays I'll be looking at from an individual stock standpoint. And you guys already know I'm always looking to DCA into VTI, especially under 212. So 212, 210, 207, 205, and anywhere all the way down to 200 and below. Those are DCA opportunities for me. This is how I built my wealth, guys. This is how I'll continue to build my wealth. This is how I'll continue to dominate the stock market in a set it and forget it style, okay? So those are some of the things I'll be doing this particular week. And of course, lateral to all of that, I'm going to be busting the stock market, but in options, okay? And that's what I plan on doing. So if you guys want to do the same thing, if you guys want to make money in options, okay, while we let and build out our stocks, if you guys want to make money with options, please consider doing two things. Number one, joining the money team, aka the weekly options, okay? Make sure you send me a screenshot if you are joining us for this particular week, okay? And then also get in the Discord, guys. Tap in with our pro investors. Tap into my daily morning briefing because I'm giving you spot on information about where the stock is going to go to the upside and the downside, and it's up to you to play it however you see fit, okay? If you're comfortable doing calls and I tell you early in the morning, hey, this stock is going to dip to this and go to this, boom, take advantage of it. If I tell you a stock is going to shoot this high but then fall to this level, Boom. Take advantage of it, guys. It's all there for the taking. I don't hold anything back. I love to see people get money. I love to see you guys win. And more importantly, I love that you're doing it with me. So with that being said, that makes it all the better. Listen, guys, with that being said, guys, get ready for another volatile week. Volatility means opportunity, though. So I don't want you to look at it as a negative. I want you to see it as an opportunity, okay? That's what I need you to do, guys. And listen to this, man, before we jump out of here today. Up next, we got our word of the day. And our word of the day is bear market. Listen, guys, we are in what is known as a bear market. And so in a bear market, typically stocks are going to be on a downward trend. So you need to know the trend is your friend, but right now the trend is the market is going to be going down. However, in a bear market, you're going to see a lot of more volatility than normal, and you're going to see some violent spikes up. You typically only get those violent type of spikes in a bear market, okay? So I'm talking about something can go down to the dirt and then shoot all the way back up, sometimes in the same day. That kind of stuff lets you know you're in a bear market, because the market naturally don't move like that, okay? So again, you need to understand the type of environment you're in, okay? Right now, let me tell you guys this, and let me slow it down. In a bear market is where you build. In a bear market is where you build. So don't come to the stock market with a false expectation, okay? In a bear market, us wealthy people, we build. So we are buying low. Like, in all honesty, we hope Apple go to 120, okay? Go look at where Apple at today, and look at where we wealthy individuals, millionaires, multi-millionaires, look at where we want Apple to go. We want Apple to go to 120, 115, 112, 109. Think about that. Go look at Apple and go look at where we truly want it to go. Why? Because we want to put 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 on that level, understanding, guess where it's going to go? 172, 185, 195, 225. Guys, this is how you make a killing. A bear market is where you build. Okay, a bear market is where you build. Don't be in the 100K challenge with me looking to hit 100K through stocks, because we're building. You're going to hit 100K and probably more by just embracing being an investor, okay? Embracing building out the plays you know, like, and love. But guess what? We can definitely hit 100K via options. You can definitely hit 10K via options. You can hit 5K via options. You can hit 25K via options. That's more than doable, because the volatility is exactly what we as traders need, okay? So lateral to you being an investor, you guys got to know, if you over here with me, you got two hats. You an investor, we build for the long term. That's why I always come on every single day, no matter what the market do, and tell you what stocks we buying, what price to buy at, okay? I do all the technical analysis for you. I do all the breakdowns for you. So you just got to listen and look out for the levels, or set your limit buy order, so when stocks hit them certain prices, boom, you just buy your shares. The rest to take care of itself. That's why when they sleep, we eat. When they panic, we pounce. We all should make money over here all the time. And then lateral to that, guys, we buy options, okay? We learn options. We embrace adding that to our arsenal, because that helps us make money when plays are going down. Because you can't make money if your stock is going down in a bear market, because the stock price is going down. You bought it at 20 and now it's at 18. That's going down. We build and we don't worry about the paper loss, okay? Nobody's caring about that. Those real ones. We're not talking about what a hater may say. We're not talking about what a troll may say. We're talking about real people with real money that got real results, that do this for real, okay? We're building during the bear market, and then we reap the benefits of it when the bull market returns, okay? All our plays go up. But that don't mean none of us can't still be making money, can't still be trying to shoot for 100K through options in this environment, whether we're playing plays to the downside, whether we're taking advantages of the bear market rallies here and there that we get, those little small pops, those violent pops, 25%, 40% up, things like that, guys. Listen, man, it's a beautiful game. Embrace everything that come with it. Try not to run from it. Try to run to it, okay, and learn to navigate it, okay? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.